doing pursuing pedagogy in catering and accommodation, I did a risk assessment matrix, and the name of the activity was flows, work description of production. Here in this table, I found out the hazard. I identified the hazard, and the hazard was different flow. Those who might be harmed, they are the trainees. And the severity of the risk assessment matrix from this table was minor injuries. In the likelihood of the risk rating table, the likelihood was 2 divided by 3, 2 times 3, which is 6, and possible was 6 divided by 2 times 2, which was 12.